Welcome to Buildmate. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create and manage your project invoices all in one seamless workflow. Let's dive right in. First, from your main dashboard, click the Essentials drop-down menu and select Invoice. This brings you to your invoicing dashboard. Here, you'll find the invoice listing that displays all your invoices in a comprehensive table. At the top, you'll see clean invoice metrics tracking your total outstanding balances, upcoming dues, payments received this month, and pending drafts. Let's create a new invoice. For that, click the blue plus New Invoice button in the upper right-hand corner. A configuration window will pop up to capture your invoice details. Let's fill out our information. Enter the title, for example, Site Mobilization Deposit. Next, select the client, or Create New right there, and link a project reference, for example, Urban Flagship Store. Use the auto-generated invoice ID or customize your invoice number using the settings gear. Set the issue date, due date, and choose your preferred currency. Now let's build out our financial line items. Click plus Add Line Item and fill in your scope of work. Let's add temporary fencing setup under the description. Set the quantity to 1, enter a rate of 2,500, and apply a 10% tax rate. Scroll down to finalize your administrative details. Under Terms, add your payment guidelines. For example, 50% payment due within 7 days of issue. Moving further, we have internal notes, which are private to you and not visible on the invoice. You can also add discounts. Let's enter 100. Buildmate instantly calculates your tax and updates your absolute total. Once everything looks good, click Save Invoice. Your invoice is created. To view it, click directly onto your newly created invoice from the invoice listing. This opens up a clean invoice overview. If you ever need to change anything, simply click Edit Invoice at the top. Here, you can navigate between tabs for granular edit control. Under General Info, you can update the invoice details like title, invoice number, project reference, due dates. Let's change the project reference to Parkside Build. You can also update the client information here. Under Line Items, you can review existing items or add new ones. And under Notes, you can update terms and internal notes. Once done, click Save to lock in updates instantly. You can also track the lifecycle of your payments by updating the status dropdown. Before you can email your invoice to the client, you must click Generate PDF first. So go to Generate PDF at the top right. Select your target file folder, like Invoices. Update file title if needed, and click Generate PDF. Once compiled, you can access your past invoices under PDF History to grab your offline copy. Now you can send the invoice. Scroll down and click Send Invoice. Buildmate automatically populates the email with message details, generated PDF securely attached, and your client's email. Click Send. The platform handles the delivery and automatically updates your internal tracking status to Sent. Once your client settles the invoice, recording the payment inside Buildmate is incredibly straightforward. Click the Record Payment button at the top right, or update an invoice status to Paid. Buildmate automatically opens the Record Payment modal to ensure your financial records are complete. The system defaults to the exact balance due. Simply pick your mode of payment. Let's choose cash. Enter your transaction reference number, for example, CSH-0001, and leave a meaningful tracking note. And click Record Payment. Just like that, your balance due updates to absolute zero, and your workspace instantly reflects a status of paid. That's it. Now you can easily create and manage invoices in Buildmate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.